Can you hear that? That is the sound of a ship outside of this small river. Anyways, welcome back. This is a quick update just out of the van. As you can see, we got part of the walls in, and there's a lot of stuff back there which I can't show you right now because I still have to edit those videos, and you know, I've just been on holiday, so I didn't have much time. Anyways, I want to thank you for 7,000 subscribers. I think I hit that today, and I almost got 1 million views. Half of it is my van build video, which is crazy, and all in all I got almost 1 million views and 7,000 subscribers. So that is wicked. I need to keep going, I need to keep pushing, I need to find something that I am gonna, you know, stick to, because right now it's all over the place, and that's what I want to talk about in this video. My mission of what I'm gonna do with this channel, of what I am going to do, because until now I've only been really documenting what I'm doing, and I'm still gonna continue doing that. So while I'm documenting here on YouTube, just trying things out, I'm kinda trying to find something that I can stick to, really, because I know that my videos are all over the place, and that if I would stick to only van, that would be a lot better for the algorithm and all that kind of stuff, to get more views and, you know, essentially earning money through sponsors or whatever. But that is not the goal that I have at the moment. Right now I'm only documenting. I'm very keen for so many people to have joined along, and you know, I'm just trying to find my path, really. I'm rambling on this video because I don't really have anything to say apart from I'm documenting in my videos, and I'm trying to find a path in life where I'm gonna stick to, and what is really is my passion. Because until now I've been trying so many things out, job wise and, you know, hobby wise. For example, skiing, building out a van for the second time now, and I've just been surfing for a week in Western France. That was wicked, and I got my mind off things, and you know, that's all like things I really wanted to do for so long. Just have like a couple of weeks in the summer, go with the van and go surfing. We didn't have a lot of waves, even though we bought a surfboard right at the start. There was no waves, so we had to keep pushing west until we essentially went to, what was its name? I'm really shit with names, I can't remember places. I can map it if you want to, or write it down in the description where we went. La Porsche? I don't know. Anyways, we essentially found some waves, and I was able to surf a few waves, which I've never really done before. I went to Australia before, but I never really had the chance to properly start surfing or learning to surf. So that was a wicked experience, and so another thing off my list that I wanted to try out. And there's a lot of things that I still want to try out and I want to do, but you know, like with this channel, I don't know if I should just, you know, be so broad and try everything myself, if I should just focus on the filmmaking. And you know, seeing the Sheila documentary afterwards really made me think that I enjoy editing and making those videos, because it's showcasing what people have done, what they've experienced, and you know, adventures. And essentially this channel is called Artventure Films, which stands for art and adventure and film. And I thought of that because I wanted to be broad. I wanted to be, you know, essentially doing everything, because everything is art, and art could be seen as everything. What? And adventures and film. And right now I'm just mixing everything. I'm mixing van life with film, and I'm just chucking in some documentaries of Sheila, the whitewater experience, of the Circle Bluff team, and I kind of really don't have a mission right now. That's why I said at the beginning I'm documenting, and I don't really know, trying to try things out. I'm trying something, you know, like I'm just trying something out, just as I did with surfing the last week, and it was wicked. I don't have any shots. That was a very funny thing. In the holiday I just went on, I have not been filming one video until now, and maybe one for Instagram stories, but that was just a couple of times I even been on Instagram. So I was just like zoned out from everything. I was reading my book about editing, that was nice, and you know, try to get my mind off things and, you know, have a nice time living in my van. And that was what I did, and it was wicked. So back to my mission. I'm just out here having this gorgeous view, which I can't show you because, you know, like, I can't just tease everything we built, obviously. You can see this here, and we actually done that, this part, whilst in France, and that was quite funny because I've got my big toolbox here, and some of those boards we actually took along to just be, you know, finishing something. And so right now, that's what you see we did. So back to my mission. I'm actually thinking I don't really know. I really don't know. So if you have a wicked thought by the videos I've been doing, by the things I'm saying, if you have, you know, like, if you've been following along, you might have an idea for what I could do out of this channel. I'm actually thinking right now, if you have any stories that I could film or tell by any people, friends or family or someone you know across the globe, maybe I will not get to that person right away, but, you know, like, I want to tell some stories of other people, essentially be a documentary filmmaker, you could say so. And I want to showcase other people and their experience and their adventures, just like the Sheila documentary. Just a bit, you know, more cinematic and more production quality behind it. And I think that could be an awesome mission for Art Venture Films. So if you have anyone that would be worth documenting, at least part of their story, let me know. Or the other thing I was thinking about was to just showcase some vans and, you know, do like van tours and maybe tell a bit of their story, how they are approaching life or whatever. I don't have connections to many people living in vans, but I want to, you know, like, I've seen some vans in France. La Torche, that was the name. Anyways, I've seen some vans and I met a couple of people, and some of them are like wicked, and, you know, like, I don't have contact to a lot of people, and essentially not a lot of people that want to be on YouTube, want to have their van showcased or tell their story. So if you know anyone, you know, like, I'd love to make a video about it. That was the second thing. So basically, van tours would be something I would like to do more often, and showcasing experience of other people or adventures. There might actually one longboard tour come out of myself this year, but I'm not too sure about that just yet. I haven't checked my emails since I've been away. So yeah, that's that video, just to be thanking you for the 7K following and all the views and all the comments I'm getting. Right now I'm gonna proceed driving back to Hamburg because that's what I've been doing the last day and today. And so I was thinking of flying a drone here. We'll see how that works out. And apart from that, I will hopefully be editing all the videos of the van until now, and then for the future make some really nice updates on special van parts that I'm gonna build, because while I was in the van on holiday, I really had time to think, what do we actually need? And I might actually do a video about that. So stay tuned for future videos. You know, like, I have to be back at my job tomorrow. We're shooting a short film which is gonna be full on for the next couple of weeks, so I don't really have too much time editing, but I'm gonna try and, you know, make those videos happen for ya, to show you the van finally. And yeah, that is it for my mission. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna proceed to drive to Hamburg. Anyways, have a great week, y'all. Boy.
When you were playing that record, what were you thinking?
What?